friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing good. Before entering into our video, let me wish you all a happy and peaceful day. Now, let us enter into our video. Today, we are going to discuss a grammar topic in our video. The topic for today's grammar video is the pronouns. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun or a noun phrase. In other words, a pronoun is a word used as a substitute for a noun or a noun phrase when a noun or noun phrase is repeated more than once. The words such as I, you, he, she, it, we, they includes pronouns. The words such as they, someone, who also includes pronouns. Now, what can a pronoun do? A pronoun can do all of the things that a noun can do. Even the pronoun may be a small word, but it takes the place of a noun. A pronoun can be used in the places of a subject, a direct object, an indirect object, object of the preposition and more. The word pronoun even has the word noun in it. With this, it is clear that a pronoun is a substitute for a noun. Now let us categorize the singular and plural pronouns. For first person singular, we use the word I to replace the noun. For first person plural, we use the word we to replace the noun. For second person plural and singular, we use the word you to replace the noun. For third person singular, we use the words such as he, she, it to replace the noun. For third person plural, we use the word they to replace the noun. The pronouns that denotes the masculine genders were he, his, him. For example, let us read this sentence. Ram lives in Mumbai. He is working as an engineer. His office is located 30 kilometers away from his home. It takes almost 45 minutes for him to reach his office. Here, the word Ram is a noun. We use the words such as he, his, him to replace the word noun and avoid its repetition in a sentence. The pronoun that denotes a feminine genders were she and her. The pronoun that denotes a neuter gender or a non-living thing is it and its. For example, read this sentence. Mary is 10 years old. She has a pet lamb. She used to take her lamb to school with her. In this sentence, Mary is the name of a girl. We use the words such as she and her to replace noun, and we use these words as pronouns to avoid the repetition of a noun. Now read this example. Sheba has a pet dog. She named it Fluffy. She used to take it to the nearby park. She has a habit of playing with its tail. Now, dog is a noun. It is a name of an animal. We use the words such as it and its to replace the noun and avoid its repetition. The pronouns that denotes both the genders and plural were we, you and they. For example, I, Shweta and Janu went to the market. We saw a group of children there. They were struggling to cross the road near the market. We helped them to cross the roads and get the bus. So in this sentence, there were three nouns. I, Shweta and Janu. And we use pronoun to avoid the repetition of noun. We use words such as we, they and them to replace the noun. Hope you all understood this video. If you have any queries or doubts regarding this video, please let me know in the comment box. And also, if you have any suggestion on the topics for upcoming videos, let me know in the comment box. Thank you friends for listening to my video patiently. And one more note, please like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon without fail to get the notification of my upcoming videos.